anyways, earlier I did a video of this. You need to watch my first video. And look at our tent. It's already. Look at that. It's still snowing. Non-stop. And yeah, good luck to the tent. I'll show you a video and connecting with this one. I think it's not 4 centimeter. It's more than that. And until now it's still snowing. It's a combination of wet snow and the snow, raining, sort of like, and yeah. If you're asking about what is in that, my mom is making a, what do you call this, for the plant and stuff, for the squash. It's ready for summer supposedly, but yeah, anyway, that's the update of the tent, and it's down already. And it's 2:30 and I can't sleep. Good night. Bye bye.